Hello friends, I welcome all to the fifth day of Ganeshotsav. Now, let's move on to a new chapter of Ganeshotsav. Let's begin day 5, the blessing of the mouse, a tender and symbolic chapter that celebrates humility, companionship, and the quiet power of devotion. This story reflects on how even the smallest beings can carry the greatest blessings. Where loyalty meets grace, and humility becomes divine. He did not choose a mighty lion, nor a swift horse, nor a grand chariot. He chose a mouse, small, quiet, and devoted. And in that choice, he taught the world, true strength lies in loyalty, and true grace walks humbly. He never asked for praise. He never sought attention. He simply followed, through forests, rituals, and prayers. The mouse was not just a vehicle, he was a witness, a friend, a devotee. And Ganesha blessed him not for his size, but for his heart. So, he is divine blessed. Here you see is a serene and poetic moment where Lord Ganesha sits in gentle grace, smiling at his devoted mouse companion who offers a marigold petal. The turquoise sky, glowing lotus, and diya flames wrap the scene in warmth and humility. The scene beautifully sets the tone of quiet strength and divine friendship. A divine bond. The quiet companion. He never asked for praise. He never sought attention. He simply followed, through forests, rituals, and prayers. The mouse was not just a vehicle, he was a witness, a friend, a devotee. And Ganesha blessed him not for his size, but for his heart. The journey together, through devotion, every step becomes sacred. Through valleys, over streams, beneath trees, they walked together. As flames were lit, as mantras were spoken, as fruits were offered. And Ganesha saw, the mouse was not just following his path, he was walking beside him. The offering of trust, even the smallest gift, when given with love, becomes divine. He could have given gems, garlands, crowns. But he offered instead something far greater, his love, his trust. And the mouse, who could have chosen riches, instead placed in Ganesha's hand a single blossom. In that offering, a bond was formed. In that bond, a promise was sealed. Now let's quickly understand. What does the lines, "In that offering, a bond was formed. In that bond, a promise was sealed," mean? In that offering, a bond was formed, means that the mouse's gesture wasn't just symbolic, it created a relationship. Not one of power or hierarchy, but of mutual trust and love. The mouse gave from the heart, and Ganesha received it with grace. That moment became sacred. In that bond, a promise was sealed. Here, the bond becomes more than affection, it becomes a commitment. Ganesha, in accepting the offering, silently promises to honor the mouse's devotion. And the mouse, in giving it, promises loyalty. It's a spiritual handshake, a vow without words. It's a reminder that true devotion doesn't need grandeur. A single petal, given with love, can build a bridge stronger than gold. Thank you for joining day 5, the blessing of the mouse. The mouse did not take the easy path, but he arrived, arm in arm with Ganesha, at the end of the journey. The praying clouds welcomed him. The sanctified earth held him. The watchful stars marveled at him. Support Mentored Learning, like, share or subscribe for more devotion and joy. Stay tuned and thank you, with love from Mentored Learning channel. Inviting all to join me for day 6, the wisdom within, stories, silence, and sacred reflection await. Once again, thank you.